Pakistani villager is pleading with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to free his pet pigeon, currently in pigeon prison, on charges of spying. How did this happen, you ask? Well, the man lives just a couple of kilometres from the border and let his pigeons out for a fly. Police said the pigeon had a ring on one of his legs that had a code on it they were trying to decipher. But the man says the code is just his phone number. He apparently owns a dozen pigeons and says India needs to stop victimising innocent birds. I think the worst thing is that villagers captured the bird and handed it over to police. And apparently this has happened a number of times over the years.
Wow.
Here's a picture I got of the pigeon in pigeon prison in a cage.
Oh, my Gideon. Excellent. And that's the latest news on BFM.